Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new, thank you for joining, and if you are coming back, what's up? Like, you already know the drill. So from the title of this video, I am doing a hair review slash install. I'm not installing it, my sister will be installing it, and I will definitely be leaving her all her information down below. I don't know exactly what hairstyle I'm gonna do, but I want it to be a little different, but we're gonna see. It just depends on my mood and how much time we have, because I'm literally at work right now, but I'm only filming this video because somebody canceled and I have about 2 hours. So I'm like, let me just get this intro in, and the first review, the first review of me like unpackaging it and stuff. I mean, I already unpackaged it, but I just want to do it on camera for y'all so y'all could really see the tea, and so I can let y'all know exactly what I went through to get this wig, because I didn't get this wig until a month after placing my order. So let's get into it. And please excuse my hair. I took out my faux locks yesterday, and when I took them out, I didn't even bother to like unbraid my single plaits or whatever it is, my single braids, because I was like, I'm so tired. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning. I even woke up like 30 minutes before I was supposed to be here and quickly washed my hair while I was in the braids, because I was like, I do not have the energy. But it doesn't matter, it's gonna be flat enough. I know my sister can work with it. So let's get into it. The hair that I purchased was from BeautyForever hair. Let's unpackage it. First of all, let's get into the packaging. I love how, y'all probably can't see because the light is really like, it's not even on that bright. I don't know why it's doing that. Anyways, the packaging, first of all, let's get into it. I love how the box didn't come all broken up and bent. Like, that is amazing, because if I really wanted to, I could like keep this box, but I'm not. And then the hair came in a net and a plastic bag, but I took it out the plastic bag because I was looking at it yesterday. I didn't bleach it. My sister told me to bleach it, but bleach the knots, but I didn't. They look pretty fine to me. I guess if she puts a little bit of makeup on it, it won't be too bad. And the lace is not that light compared to me, so I guess she's gonna be able to work with it. I don't know, we're just gonna have to see what she says. Anywho, this is the wig. Like, look at the color, y'all. It is so pretty. It's not a red, it's more of like an, would you consider this auburn? I don't know what color this is. If y'all know what color this is, please let me know down in the comments, because I don't know. On the website it said auburn. I'm gonna link the exact link for this hair down below, and like, I don't know. And I got it in 26 inches and wavy or something like that. I don't know if I'm gonna keep it like this. I might straighten it, or I might curl it. It's really, honestly, I think I might just let my sister freestyle. So in the next clip, or so in the next few clips or whatever, you will see her installing this wig on me, and y'all just gonna have to see what hairstyle we picked, and hopefully it comes out nice. And also in the box, it came with this little goodie bag filled with some pretty cool goodies. It came with this cheetah print headband. When I got this, I was like, ooh, I think I got my Halloween costume in mind. And then it came with this makeup brush, which I thought was super adorable. I am definitely going to be using this, adding it to my collection of brushes. And then it came with this bonnet, or like shower cap. I don't know, it's a bonnet. And then these lashes that I probably won't use. They're like way too dramatic for me. And yeah, I don't know what I'm gonna do with this stuff. I might keep it, I might not. I might give my sister with the lashes. I'm not keeping it. But let's get into the hair. Okay, so like, let me stand up so y'all can see where this wig is gonna touch on me. I am 5'6", 5'7". I'm gonna put this on lightly. Can y'all see in the mirror? Oh wait, I can't really see. Like, okay, yeah, it's like right here. It hits me like right where my butt is at. If I stretch it, it hits me like a little bit past my tailbone. 26 inches, this seems just about right. Maybe it's a bit shorter, because I've definitely had 26 inches from other brands, and it's actually been longer. than this, so I'm not exactly sure. I didn't measure it. I probably should have. The hairline looks like this. Focus, focus, focus. Can y'all see? Hold on, let me get out the camera. Anyways, this is what the lace looks like. I don't know if y'all could tell, but it comes pre-plucked. If you want to pluck some more, you can. I probably will have my sister pluck some more because I just want it to look a little bit more natural. But if you do want the wig to last you a bit longer, I wouldn't suggest, because it does come like nicely plucked. It does come with baby hairs, but they're like really long. So if you want, you could cut it and adjust it to the length that you desire, which I really love. The lace is not that stretchy, but it's still stretchy, and it's not a lot of lace space. So I wouldn't recommend this for somebody with a bigger, like a big head. Like if your circumference of your head is bigger than 22, I do not recommend it. Yes, it comes out the package nice, but will it last? That's the real question. And depending on how well it lasts, I will be bleaching the hair out, or I'm gonna be doing something to it, and I'm gonna let y'all know how this hair takes bleach or color. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so my sister's doing my hair and she's cutting me off right now, but look at my hair. Period.
I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass. Yo, I employ these niggas. They be grown men, but I little boy these niggas. Want the cookie, so I got a Chips Ahoy these niggas. But I never iPhone, Android these niggas. Use rubbers with them, I don't ever roar these niggas. More money than a mama, son, all these niggas. I ain't shopping, but it's like I gotta store these niggas. Put them on timeout and never call these niggas. Pussy like girls, damn, is my pussy gay? It's a holiday, play with my pussy day. Pussy this, pussy that, pussy taken. Pussy ride dick like she a Jamaican. Pussy stay warm, pussy on vacation. You lose bitches, need a pussy renovation. You can eat it with a pussy reservation. Pussy bout to get a standing ovation. Clap, clap, clap for this pussy nigga. But I can't get this pussy to a pussy nigga. Aw man, slow down. I'ma give you something that you can hold down. But I can't give you that, I'm too ill for that. I'ma make a movie still, Kill Bill for that. Cause what the fuck, this ain't Chanel nigga, custom down. What the fuck, I ain't smoking hot, bust me down. You the same clown nigga that was running me down. Now you all up in the stores cause you wanna me down. I said rule number one to be a boss ass bitch. Never let a clown nigga try to play you. If he play you, then rule number two, fuck his best friends and make them yes men. And get a dick. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass bitch, 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 bitch. I'm a boss ass. Yo, I employ these niggas. They be grown men, but I little boy these niggas. Want the cookie, so I got a Chips Ahoy these niggas. But I never iPhone, Android these niggas. Use rubbers with them, I don't ever roar these niggas. More money than a mama, son, all these niggas. I ain't shopping, but it's like I gotta store these niggas. Put them on timeout and never call these niggas. Pussy like girls, damn, is my pussy gay? It's a holiday, play with my pussy day. Pussy this, pussy that, pussy taken. Pussy ride dick like she a Jamaican. Pussy stay warm, pussy on vacation. You lose bitches, need a pussy renovation.
Hey guys, so it's like 2 days after this install, and I do have a bit of a little update about the hair. So after the whole entire install, I went out to the club, and the next day I went out again to the club, and I'm about to go take some pictures. And so far this hair does shed quite a bit. Like, I was just straightening my hair, and like, I don't know if you guys could see all this hair that just came off of the straightener. That's a lot of hair. There's a whole heap of hair in this brush. Like, insane. And that's just from today. That doesn't include yesterday and the day before that. This hair fizzes up. It fizzes up a lot. Like, I literally just curled it and like the ends are pretty like fizzy in my opinion. There's not many short hairs in the hair, which I really like, because normally a lot of like AliExpress brands, like they have shorter pieces in their hair, but this one doesn't really have it, which I'm quite happy about because I absolutely hate that look. One thing I can say about this hair, it is able to withstand a lot of heat, because some other wigs that I have purchased, when I put that hot comb up on top of here, fried, it's gone. And second, it holds a curl. I mean, thirdly, is that third or fourth? Whatever, it holds a curl pretty well. Like I curled this yesterday evening, and like this is a fresh curl actually, but like from yesterday evening, the curls that were there from like this morning, it was still there, and I think that was pretty cool. Like not a lot of hair, AliExpress hair holds up the way it should be holding on, especially if you're paying $300-400 for hair. Me personally, I don't think I would be repurchasing from them again, only because when I did buy this hair from them, I had placed an order, and then like literally the next morning or whatever, I got a text from them talking about, oh, like babe, like the hair is sold out, we don't have it in stock. And I'm like, the fuck that gotta do with me? Like, why are you telling me this? Why was it not marked sold out on the website? And then we tried to make a compromise. They tried to offer me a different hair, but I didn't like the color. It was like brown and blonde. It was just too much going on, and I was not feeling it. And then I was like, okay, well, can I get black hair? And they were like, oh, it's like $15 more if you want to do black hair. I'm like, well, like, can't you guys compromise on the $15? Because I didn't, like, this is not my fault that you guys ran out. You guys should have marked it sold out on the website before you even allowed anybody to purchase it. But I guess that's what they do, you know. And then the thing is, they were so ready to let go of me. Like when I was like, you know what, just give me a refund. They're like, okay, like no hesitation. I was like, you're not even gonna fight for your customers? Like, anyways, but other than that, I really love the color. The color is absolutely gorgeous. I've gotten so much compliments on the color. They're like, it looks really nice on my skin tone, and I'm happy, because I was kind of scared about this color because it's not a red. It's like a really dark auburn, if that makes any sense. It's really pretty. But yeah, I'm gonna go take some pictures now. And yeah, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.